So let's swatch this Goya Watercolor Pocket Filled Sketchbox Sakura, and I have some from Dukes which I add here, and also this aquarelle block it's even don't have a name. It's just aquarelle watercolor block. Use this for swatching, so let's go. And I have some brush here, also without name. So we will take this white and swatch it here. You can't see anything because paper is also white. And now it's this yellow, and we have yellow. It is beautiful yellow, very nice yellow. I like how it looks. Now we will add this orange, light orange, like peachy. And I want these colors to touch a bit to see how they work together. Okay, this is this peachy orange. Nice. We will see how it will look when it's dry. Now the vivid red, very red. Look here and see how they touching. Okay. And how this red is pretty. I don't know how to say. You can see through it. Maybe too much water. Let's see with less water. No, it's not so vivid like here. Now we have this color. What is this? Is this dark red or is this brown? It looks like violet. See? Oh, it's pretty. It's not so vivid. Darkish red. And it's not so vivid. It is nice color, but I don't know. I think it's a green. And let's touch a little. Oh, this is blue. It is blue. It's very not opaque. Now let's see this one. This is also blue, darker blue, and we will see it here. Oh, it is nice color, but it is almost the same like this one. We will see. Then it's dark green. It is very nice, rich green color. And we will put it here to see how they react on each other. Okay. Now it's lighter green. I love this. I call this happy color because it looks so happy to me. Now I'll see how these two colors react. Okay. It's almost olive. It's not so vivid. rich brown. Nice color. Light color. Like this. So this set is super old. Oh, look at this black, how react, very nice. Very nice. Even this paper is so cheap and, I don't know, bad. They react so nice. And now when our colors are pretty much dry, oh, they leave it something behind when you try them. But for this money, I don't think it's bad. Now we will try on the other side these colors. And this is from Schminke. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I get them in tubes and I decide to bring them with myself on a trip when I know that I will go in Croatia. But this is the ink in tube. I also put it a little bit here. So now let's try this one. This looks like very nice color. Like skin color from white person. You can't say skin color because it's not all skin colors the same, but how they react each other. This is very yellow, and I like how this looks. This very orange or almost red. Even on this shitty paper, this color looks fantastic. So now let's try this very rich red. Beautifully red. It's not really opaque, but it is nice color. Blue. It's very nice color. I like blue. Blue is my color. I'm Pisces. So all watercolors are my colors. Very nice blue. I like it. Now this green. Very rich green, almost jewel green. Look. Does not look so greenish. It looks more bluish to me. It's not green, obviously. I'm mistaken. It is green blue.